So, warm and sunny greetings, YouTube, from Michigan. It's been a beautiful May 2024 so far. I upgraded my Mazda 3, 2018 Mazda 3 to a 2024 Hyundai Tucson. Need a little more space now that my child's getting a bit bigger and older and having more adventures and just, anyway, strollers and blah blah blah. Need more space. So I'm going to do a review on the Tucson. I think I put about 1,500 miles on it so far in a few months. So really enjoy it. It's been a great car. It's not perfect, but I'll share a review on that. But I also just ordered a trailer hitch, so I'll do a video showing that installation. And I also ordered a folding carrying platform in the back that'll bolt into that. So 2-inch hitch mount, and anyway, we'll get to that. So let's open it up and then we'll start installing. Instructions are possibly right here. So, gross trailer weight 3,500 pounds, tongue weight 525 pounds. What's included is 6 hex bolts and 6 conical toothed washers. Step 1, remove the underbody panel. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the 4 push fasteners. Next, use a 14mm socket to loosen the 3 nuts. Return panel and fasteners to vehicle owner. Raise the hitch into position and loosely secure with 6 M10 bolts and 6 conical toothed washers. Lower exhaust if needed to ease installation. Tighten all M10 bolts to 48 foot-pounds. Okay. So I think I see. So you got there and there. And that hitch is just going to screw right into that frame. Okay. We'll have to see if this is the panel that I have to remove or not. There we go. Let me see if I can film that. So the hitch is just stuck like 1mm, so I'm going to get it in a second here. But I'm basically clear the exhaust. You don't have to take the exhaust off. So let me see if I can just wiggle this, pushing down on the exhaust with my right hand or stronger hand or whatever. There. Okay, that's it. We're clear. Alright. So let's get our bolts and tightening. Okay. As long as you're lifting the hitch, it goes in really easy. The car's new. So the threads aren't all rusted out yet, so that's nice. There's one more bolt. Switch sides. But you can see, got 3 bolts, 3 washers. They're not installed, but they're enough to hang it for now. I want to switch sides. And I have not removed this trim here. It seems flexible enough to move out of the way of the hitch. I won't know for sure until I've got all 6 bolts in, but so far it seems likely that that's not necessary, and you don't have to, in fact, remove anything from the vehicle. I'm using my body to lift and take pressure off the hitch. I see now. I'm seeing now why they want you to remove the piece of the trim. I don't want to with it. Alright, so let's remove this trim. It's like a pole while you twist. So you can't just twist. It's like a spring-loaded shit mechanism. Alright, we got it figured out finally. Thanks, Hyundai. So pull while you're going counterclockwise is the secret. Piece of shit. Okay, I'm gonna put these fasteners back in.
Alright, a piece of trim will save for a rainy day.
Now we're free and clear. We can get this damn hitch installed. Alright, let's get this first bolt in. Alright, let's see if I can see that. So using your body, put a good amount of, take pressure off the pivot point, and then you just kind of get everything in tight. Let's go up here.
Pressure off my body. And now, it's going on here.
Alright. Hand tight is the word. Cool. Gonna go flip sides now. This side, much easier to see and show you guys. I'm lifting with my one hand, bracing my knee under it. I want to get both knees to help a little bit, but that's the idea. So you don't need to hold the camera while you do it, but why shouldn't I? Alright, cool. That takes the pressure off.
Just going hand tight for now. And we'll come back with the proper torque wrench. Torque them to 48 foot-pounds.
Alright, last one. Let me put a little up pressure on. There we go. Alright, cool. Sorry, took a little energy. A little lactic acid hitting my arms. Okay. So there we go, up to 25. We're at 35. Should probably, let's hit the other side before we get all the way with any of them. All right. Torque on the final bolts down. We're at 45, call it 48. Hard to do one-handed, but we're there. All right, so all the bolts are torqued at least to 48 foot-pounds. There's a 17mm socket that you need for the 6 attachment bolts. It's definitely best to remove the plastic trim from the back. Set it aside, keep it safe. Reinstall it if you want when you're done with the car, or throw it away, recycle it, whatever, your call. But yeah, that was a pretty easy install. I think it would have taken just 1 proper hour to do it right and to do it clean. You need a torque wrench, socket set, 17mm socket, maybe a pair of pliers, maybe a 14mm socket to loosen up the plastic fasteners, but then basically to remove those, as you're spinning them counterclockwise, you have to pull on them too. They're kind of like spring loaded. That threw me off for a few minutes figuring that out. But other than that, very simple installation of the Curt Trailer Hitch. So I'm gonna go get the carrier and switch to that project.